Good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day, ma'am. I am Eunice Maputeliones. I am 25 years old from Cagayan Valley. Um,
Okay, yes. So, are you married?
no, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate and I've been studying in International School of Asia in the Pacific in college. And I am a Tesla driving NC2 passer also.
Okay. What is your course in college?
I am a criminology student.
Okay. For how long?
For
How long years?
3 years in
3
college.
years. Undergrad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So, do you have any work experience in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Which country?
In Hong Kong, ma'am.
Okay. How long years?
6 months, ma'am.
Oh, 6 months. What
Yes.
happened?
I got terminated by my boss
Oh, the reason is?
without no reason, madam.
Without no reason.
Yes.
Oh, there's something wrong.
Yes.
Okay, yes. So, okay, what did you do in your employer?
I do washing, I do household chores like cleaning, all the necessity, and I do go 3 times with the dog, and I do brush the hair of the cats, and take care of the turtle, 2 turtle, 5 cats and 1 dog.
Oh, so how many members in that family?
5.
5.
3 children and the mother and the father.
Okay, the children, how old are they?
They are 8, 7, and 4.
Okay, how many helper?
I have one companion. She's an Indonesian.
Okay.
Yes.
So, yes, 3 kids,
Yes.
2 helpers. Okay, so your main duties is?
My main duties is cleaning all the room and all the pets inside the house.
Okay, did you do cooking?
No, ma'am.
So, yes, so you're all around cleaning,
Yes.
household chores, and taking care of pets,
Yes,
right?
madam.
5 turtles and how many dogs?
5 cats, 2 turtles, and 1 dog.
Wow, a lot. Okay, yes, so then, are you ready to go back?
Yes, I am ready because I know what my capability to go back in Hong Kong again.
Okay, yes, so are you capable to look after a newborn or young child?
Yes, madam.
Okay, how the way you taking care a young child?
If I'm taking care of a young child, if she cry like that or something, she's not feeling well, I just simply tell to my employer that there's something happened to her children. I will tell as soon as possible. Yes.
Okay, yes, if the baby is not feeling well, and of course, you have to inform immediately to your boss.
Yes, madam.
And of course, if necessary, you rush to the hospital also.
Yes, madam.
Can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the you are so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you very much about that. Okay then, so why you want to go to work in Hong Kong again?
Because high salary and good surroundings.
Yes, and
Many
employers.
tourist spot and employers there is so good also.
Okay. Yes, so this time you have to be a hard work and
Yes.
you have yes, capable to all job offers
Yes.
to you.
Anything, madam.
Okay, that's good. Okay then, if you luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
Hello, my future employer, madam and sir. Hello. If you hire me, it's really good because I am very honest, respectful, and a very hardworking person. So if you can hire me, madam and boss, and you're so lucky, and I'm so lucky to you. You will be my future boss. Thank you, and have a nice day and good health.
Okay, yes, of course, in Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So then,
Yes.
if your employer requests, not Saturday, Sunday holidays, are you willing to do?
Yes, madam.
That's good. Are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, madam.
Of course, to give you a money back for overtime pay so you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
And you promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And you promise that you cannot involve in ibang finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? You promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you. Tara.